What you're looking at is a fully AI-generated multi-episode cartoon. No animators, no studio, no team needed, stylized like popular TV shows in Family Guy-style Adventure Time and Inside Job-style animation. All of it with consistent characters across every single scene, built inside one platform from script to final animation. And I'm giving you the exact workflow today, plus my free master prompt, which you can plug straight in and start building your own monetizable, faceless cartoon channel right away. Most creators charge for this kind of sauce, but I'll not, so let's get into it.
Nice. Done before lunch.
Only 4,000 frames left.
Jim?
Maybe next year.
We'll cover two workflows in this video. One for a full series-style multi-episode cartoon, and one for a short film. By the end, you'll have a complete episode, your own casted characters, stylized and ready to upload. So stick around till the end. So head to Pixmax AI, sign up, and create a new project. You'll see your credits up at the top. Everything we're doing today, from scripting, characters, animation, all happens right here using one tool, start to finish. But before we touch anything, we need a script. Open Claude and paste in my master prompt. Links in the description. Completely free. You can pay as you like to support the channel. This prompt already has cartoon styles embedded inside it like Family Guy, Adventure Time, Rick and Morty, Inside Job. The structure, the prompt formats are all baked in. It'll ask for your genre, your style, and how many characters you want in your show. Fill that in and you get back a full story, scene breakdown, character build kits, and every image and video prompt you'll need. Back in Pixmax, right-click on the canvas and add an image node. Now copy the character prompt from your Claude build kit and paste it into the node to then pick your image model. I'm going with GPT Image 2.0 at 16:9. Now here's a nice little trick. I want one of my characters to actually look like me, so I'll right-click to upload my photo, connect it to the node, and reference it with an @ in the prompt. Hit generate, and you can already see the resemblance. You can keep it subtle like this, or push it to a really close likeness. It's all in how you prompt it. Add another image node and do the same for each character in your cast. These sheets are what keep your cartoon looking like the same show episode after episode. Add a new image node and grab the Shot 1 prompt from the Text 2 image prompts from Claude, checking the characters present in the scene and connect both character sheets to it, then paste the prompt in. Then start referencing each character with an @ wherever they show up. Great. This starting scene locks in your visual style and gives the animation model a solid foundation to work from. Extend a node from the image scene and create a video node. Connect all the character sheets to it as well. Copy the entire Scene 1 prompt from Claude, paste it in, select Seedance 2.0, and lock your resolution at 720p. My prompt timestamps run to about 8 seconds for 4 shots. I always throw in a 2-second buffer and set it to 10, gives you a much smoother result. Reference the image scene at the top, reference the character sheets wherever their names come up, and generate. Stylized, consistent Adventure Time output, just like that. Most AI animations spawn random environments out of nowhere between scenes, which is why continuity is important. We fixed that with one simple step. Dragging a node from your generated clip, add another video node, connect the character sheets to paste the next scene prompt, and just add one line to use the previous video reference and continue onwards. Reference your characters, set the duration, and generate. Great scenes flow consistently now. Repeat for all remaining scenes, and for any shorter scenes, I just drop the resolution to 480 to save credits, and then select it and upscale to 2K like this afterwards. Put all your upscaled scenes together in order, and that's it. Episode 1 is done.
Stop! Nobody signed the forms! Name, army size, and reason for engagement. In triplical.
We were mid-charge!
Half an inch over. Against regulations.
Seriously? Again?
He made me take horse insurance last time.
Oh, of course he did.
Now remember how I said you wouldn't need another platform because you can actually generate your script directly inside Pixmax as well? Here's the second workflow. Open a new project, but this time start with a text node. Select Gemini 3.1 Pro and paste the master prompt straight into Pixmax. Extend a node and create a second text node. Answer the questions in here. I'm going with an inside job rom-com Netflix style for this one. Hit generate. Now connect both of those text nodes to a third text node and ask for character build kits and image prompts for each shot. You'll get your entire story and every prompt here on the canvas. No tab switching at all. The only difference here is there's a prompt prefix you'll need to paste before each character prompt. It'll be in the output. Add an image node and paste in the first character prompt. I'm gonna make Leo look like me, uploading my photo, connecting it to the node, referencing with an @ to generate. Looking good. I wonder where he gets that from. Duplicate this node and paste the second character prompt in. I'll try the same one in Nano Banana 2, which actually looks better, so I'm going with that one. Now copy the shot 1 image prompt, extend the new image node from the character sheet, and paste it in. The second character isn't in this opening scene, so I'll remove her reference. And don't forget to add that style prefix from earlier. I'll generate one with GPT image and one with Nano Banana to compare. Nano Banana looks way better. Now extend the video node from the image scene, connect both character sheets, copy scene 1 through 4, drop in the style prefix, and reference both characters wherever their names come up to finally generate with Seedance 2.0. That's incredible. Now repeat the same process for the remaining scenes using the previous video as input for continuity. One thing, you might hit an error like this. It's an audio conflict from the input video. Just run a compliance check on it, and then separate the audio, and use the muted version as your input instead. Generate again, and you're sorted. Join your scenes together, upscale to 2K, and that's a full inside job style short film. One platform, start to finish.
It seems like you had a rough day. I'm a wildlife photography intern too.
I'm Vince. The company sent us as a blood sacrifice for the local wildlife.
Oh, absolutely. We're just expendable biosh to them. Did you get anything?
Yeah, kinda. This internship actually doesn't completely suck when you're around.
Wow, Leo, that was almost smooth. I might actually— bird poop incoming!
Not again!
Both Canvas workflows are downloadable in the links below so you can just follow along. And that's the whole system. Full episode, consistent cartoon, faceless channel. The master prompt and both Canvas workflows are free in the description. Go grab them. Pixmax has a 50% early bird discount running right now. I recommend their starter and pro plans, so now's a good time to grab it. If this helped you out, drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.